Guys, we have reached home now and the tomatoes are getting ready. It's been raining for a couple of days, so the floor is a little wet, not exactly too wet, but yeah. Guys, so today we are cooking shrimps, or you can call them prawns. If I'm gonna be honest, this shrimp or prawn smells like shit. Honestly, I like eating them, but it smells like shit. You know, I can bet you guys, my shit smells far better than these shrimps. Yeah, I'm not joking. So yeah, that's the thing. So I'm not gonna you know, you peel them off. I'm just gonna cook them. I'm just gonna marinate them so it smells less. Because yeah, of course you're gonna. So I'm from the mountains, guys. We don't have shrimps or prawns. I had prawns when I was like maybe 20 or 19 years old. A few years ago, actually. You see this? That's how it looks after cleaning. The weather is cloudy today. It was raining almost all night and still cloudy, but very peaceful. You hear these birds. It's coming from this forest. And this is our barbecue setup. This is where we're gonna cook our shrimps or prawns today. We got more vegetables, some tomatoes, and a lot of stuff. Every day we have a new guest, and today we have this beautiful cat coming from the wild. She wants food, I know. We will give her some of the shrimps. You don't like shrimps? I don't believe that you don't like shrimp. I no doubt, because it smells so horrible. I'm gonna give you something else maybe after some time. I ordered something and maybe we'll be able to feed her. Oh, she's eating. Oh, maybe she was expecting something else too, or maybe that was not enough for her. But I think it's quite enough for her now. And she just wants more food, guys. And we're gonna give him or her. I don't know. I just need to check her gender or his gender. What are you? Gmail? We gave her so much food, but she's still hungry. I don't know what she wants. She's so huge. Definitely she needs more food, or he needs more food. I prepared this marination. It's with garlic and some coriander leaf, dry one, and some black pepper and some dry garlic. That's it. Let's go. We don't use too much marination because it's gonna be too much of spices. We're gonna keep it raw and very simple, but yeah, very tasty. So tonight we have Banya. Banya is actually a Russian sauna, and the temperature there goes somewhere around 95 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Celsius. I know it sounds unbelievable, but that's pretty much true actually. It's not for normal people. Like if you're like, if you have some problem with your heart, or if you're suffering through a heart disease, I would not recommend for you guys to go there. But yeah, I'm really excited to do the Banya. I usually do it whenever I'm here. And last year when I was here in the summers, I remember going there and it was a beautiful time actually. And yeah, I will finish my workout first and then we will go there. I put 3 potatoes in the charcoal and I have 2 tomatoes which I will put later. And I will make a sauce how our ancestors used to make back in those days, like 200-300 years ago, like straight from the fire. These shrimps looks really good actually. Do you see that? Now it will go on this barbecue. Meanwhile, you can see these potatoes getting cooked really well. Tomatoes are getting ready. These colors again, guys, amazing. No one is watching. I'll just try a little. No, little more. Our tomatoes are ready. We're gonna peel the outer layer out and we're gonna smash it. This is a special thing, special kind of a sauce. That's how it's used to. You see this? It's butter, and I'm gonna put this directly on this tomato because our potatoes are not done. Okay, it's like this. It will give the smokiest flavor that you can ever have. I'm gonna have my lunch and I'll see you after lunch. I cannot wait. It's really nice. These tomatoes are really good actually. Actually, let's eat now. Actually, park our cycles there and we will spend some time here. Guys, how can I forget about the Banya? Now we're gonna go and sit in the Banya for long. Banya, guys, Banya. Banya! Inside we have a fire going on. This is Banya, Russian sauna. More than a sauna, actually, more than a usual sauna that you guys do or anyone in the world does. It's actually kind of a ritual in order to remove your bad energy, all the negative energy, even from your body, even from your soul. And the temperature here is, guys, like around 90 to 95 degrees Celsius. It's not normal sauna, guys. 90 degrees Celsius. Can you believe? Can you believe you're actually cooking inside? You're getting cooked inside this sauna, but I love it. I've been doing this for years, and I did this last year as well when I was here. So we're gonna go inside now, and you see this? You see the fire here? Come, I'll show you the fire. The fire. It's, you can check the fire, and if you want more heat, you can just open this and put more of this. This is, I think, compressed wood, and you just put it, highly inflammable, and yeah, good to go. First thing you do here, you take this and you wear it on your head, and also we have the gloves that you can use in order to prevent more heat. So that's the room. Actually, I'll just show you the room. It's pretty hot, guys. I'm just gonna open it for a while. You guys can see this, how it looks. Oh, it's pretty hot. It's pretty hot, actually. Guys, my phone stopped working because it's so hot. I cannot show you more than like 5 seconds. I'm gonna open it again and just have a quick look, guys. Beautiful Banya, and you can see outside it was cold, it was cloudy. It is cold actually outside, and that's the cold plunge. We can do this after that, but we're gonna avoid this. I've been taking cold bath every day, 2 times, 3 times. So yeah, we're gonna put the curtain on and start our show, guys. Let's go. The first 10 minutes, and you cannot just sit there for a longer period of time. It's better you do it like 10 minutes, then 15, then 20. You come out, then you know, back and forth. That's the best way to do it. I mean, for me, it's okay. I'm okay. But if you're new in this, you better do this like 10 minutes, come out, you know, so that your body can adapt. So that's the best way to do it, guys. Keep myself hydrated too with some water, guys. Guys, I just came out to take fresh air. It was very hot inside, and we have 1 more hour. Actually, we're gonna do Banya for like 2 hours. Not like 2 hours, more than 2 hours. And it's raining outside, it's pretty cold, and we're gonna go back. I'm gonna go back inside and remove my negative energy. Even though I don't even have a single negative energy, but I will remove even the tiny bit of it, you know? Do you know what I'm saying? Actually, let's remove it. Yeah, behind me you can see beautiful hut. We also have a kitchen inside, just in case, you know, you want to rest and have a tea and come outside. It's raining, it's the best day to have a tea, but I already had a tea. I don't want to have more tea. I just want to have a sauna. And I just took a walk in the wilderness. It was good. Now I'm feeling cold again, and I'm gonna go inside and do the sauna again, the Banya again. Let's go, guys. Let's go. This was the end of the Banya. We spent 2 hours here. It was great. Now it's time to go back and prepare some dinner, because we really need some good dinner, and it's gonna be a very, very good night because we're gonna sleep very good. Let's go. We say goodbye to Banya. Now we have to go and cook our meal, guys. Let's go. Guys, we have reached home. Now it's time to prepare some dinner. So let's go. Guys, how can I forget this? Do you guys want to see how I train? I will just show you. Just be there and watch. Let's go. Raise your glass to